Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Fareen. In today's TIVP session, there was a problem. There was no internet connection in my computer. So I went to the internet connection to check the troubleshoot. So now detecting the problem to know what the actual problem is. So it's showing you can try exploring other options that might be helpful. So I'm not able to detect any problem in this. So now I'll go to control panel. So in control panel there is an option called hardware and sound. So I'll click on this. Then I'll go to device manager. So check whether the Ethernet option is enabled or what. So in this, I'll go to network adapter. So I can see here there is no Ethernet option is enabled. So on the top, on the desktop, I'll right click to scan for hardware changes. So I'll scan this. See, after scanning this, I got this gigabit network connection. So now my internet access is enabled.